To remove the float, remove the 5/16 inch speed nut prior to pulling the float out of the tub. The motor start relay is position sensitive. It is connected to the front frame with one mounting screw. Using a slip and knot lock nut wrench, loosen the pump outlet nut just underneath the spray arm and remove the spray arm. Disconnect the wire harness from the motor. Loosen 5/16 inch hose clamp from the pump inlet hose. Remove the push nut from the end of the motor. Remove the motor support hanger. Loosen the pump outlet hose clamp to remove the hose. The pump and motor assembly may now be removed. Using slip and lock nut wrench, rotate the disc and mount assembly counterclockwise. Remove 3 hex head screws to lift the motor off of the housing assembly. Remove 4 T15 screws. Lift off cover. The thermal fuse is attached to the bottom of the tub with 1 1/4 inch hex head screw. Remove 4 1/4 inch hex head screws to remove the soil settler. Remove the wire harness from the heating element's terminals. With a 3/4 inch socket or wrench, remove the plastic nuts. Remove the element from inside the tub.